Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we like to speak about what's happening for the Bitcoin price, because right now we are on emergency. You can clearly see, guys, that actually as 1st of June, China, which is supposed to pump the market, didn't pump the market, and it could become actually the situation which is buy the rumors and sell the news. And if this is not actually a manipulation movement, we could potentially, guys, see furthermore drop for the Bitcoin price. But if we're gonna see any kind of pump, because the Hong Kong retail investors, which right now are available to trade cryptos, we could see an insane move to the upside. But something else that I would like to point you on this video, because on this video, guys, we're gonna analyze all the potential scenarios that you can imagine that can happen right now according to this current situation of this pullback that we experienced the last 2 days. We also gonna see these, guys, very important Bitcoin dominance, which broke the symmetrical triangle support, and actually this could be an indication of an altcoin season from time to time. So on this video, we're gonna analyze absolutely everything, and if you would like to know absolutely everything, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see in this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment and any kind of trade, obviously. And also, guys, I would like to show you my highlighted tier, which is the VIP Elite Soldier group, where I have here a Telegram VIP community where multimillionaires included, and all together we are analyzing the next move of the market, of the altcoins or whatsoever. But the most important part, guys, that you're gonna find on this group is the community, and also the strategy that I follow, especially, guys, if you're gonna see Bitcoin dominance back to 40%. This mean that altcoin is gonna outperform the Bitcoin price, so we're gonna take huge profits from our investments. And as you know, from this strategy right now, I'm holding 150 altcoins, so imagine how profitable I'm gonna be if we're gonna see an altcoin season anytime soon. So highly recommend you to enter before the altcoin season, because the altcoin season, guys, is gonna be my proof why you need to enter on my group. Okay, highly recommended. And let's get back to our analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out. Guys, initially I'm gonna start with this double bottom, which, as you remembered, I told you that from the time that we drop at this $26,000, I told you that we have lots of probabilities to form a double bottom, and this double bottom can pump the Bitcoin price back to $28,000. And actually it happened as I predicted. We saw, guys, a massive pump. We broke every resistance that we had ahead of us, and also we broke the neckline of this double bottom. That's why we saw Bitcoin back to $28,483. But in the daily time frame, you can clearly see that we haven't actually the chance to close a daily candle above this $28,000, which, as you know, is a very strong daily resistance. And I have told you several times the importance of this blue line. I told you that to actually see a very bullish scenario, we will need to close a daily candle above this blue line. And actually, as you can clearly see, 2 days we found rejection, and we weren't able to close a daily candle above this blue line, because to remind you, I have told you that if we're gonna see something like that, then we're gonna continue straight to the technical price target, which was exactly the $29,250, and subsequently we would go to retest this $29,350, which actually a weekly resistance, which is also very important. But guys, we found big rejection here, and right now we are moving to the downside, and everyone was expecting to see massive pump today, the 1st of June, because retail investors of Hong Kong were available to buy cryptos and actually trade cryptos. Okay, it was actually available to trade cryptos. But what happened until now? They actually opened 2 exchanges for that reason, and we have more applications for 7 more exchanges to actually Hong Kong people gonna be able to invest in those exchanges too. So this could be a reason why we didn't see a significant volume to the upside on this current situation. And obviously there is a scenario to see a manipulation movement, because as you know, the very popular phrase, buy the rumors, sell the news. So because of that, maybe lots of people sell the news here. That's why we saw massive drop on this current situation. And the reason of that, because I'm telling you about the manipulation, is that today we saw massive pullback on the Dixie, which, as you know, guys, Bitcoin is going most of the times in the opposite way of the Dixie. So that's why I believe that today we should have a pump if we weren't actually have this event of Hong Kong retail investors, because Dixie right now is in a big drop and Bitcoin should have a pump. But we saw a massive pullback, and the reason of that for me is probably a manipulation. But you're gonna ask me, okay, Chris, it is what it is. But right now, what's the scenarios? What we should expect for the Bitcoin? Guys, for me, there are two scenarios here. There is a massive opportunity, obviously, to see another reversal and break every kind of resistance that we have ahead of us, and this kind of reversal gonna be followed by an altcoin season, okay? Because we broke this symmetrical triangle of the Bitcoin dominance, and if we're gonna see Bitcoin dominance, guys, back to 40%, and let me put actually a weekly time frame to see that better. If we're gonna see, guys, the Bitcoin dominance back to 40% or close to that area, 41%, 42%, that's gonna mean that Bitcoin could pump at to $33,000 prices like that, over $30,000, but the altcoins gonna outperform the Bitcoin price, which means that we're gonna see massive gains on that period. And guys, for me, I believe that we could potentially see one more altcoin season with a massive pump, and then we're gonna see a massive dump, and then we're gonna start building the bullish territory for 2024. After the halving, we're gonna start getting big moves. And of course, this scenario that I've just told you, the duration of this scenario is gonna be long, okay? From now, we could potentially see this kind of altcoin season to last 3-4 months, and actually the last crash of the Bitcoin price to last another 4 to 5 months until the halving, okay? Because if I don't do any mistake, it's approximately 300 days until the halving. So it's perfect time to actually see all these scenarios playing out. It's exactly perfect. It fits perfect to the schedule, okay? So I'm expecting, as you can understand, a big pump with an altcoin season, and then a big crash, and from that kind of crash we're gonna start building the bullish territory. Something else to add here, because I forgot that. The other scenario, I told you one scenario is to see a reversal, and the last scenario is actually from that point to get back to $25,200. And guys, from that position, lots of guys, almost the 89% of the traders gonna open big long positions. Millions of dollars of positions gonna be open from $25,200. So if you see Bitcoin into furthermore dump, there's a big probability to incredible bounce from that red zone, which gonna lead us straight and break every resistance that we have ahead of us. And actually, with that way, we could potentially see the altcoin season. Okay, also have this in your mind. I forgot that to tell you earlier. So this is the video. I hope you enjoy, guys. Thank you so much for your support, and for every like, every comment. It means a lot to me, and I will see you all in my next video. Do not forget to check my highlighted tier, and until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.